Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about class 7 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition, chapter number 7, verbs past tense. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous chapters, okay, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so here change the tense of the following passage into simple past. You know the positive structure of simple past: subject plus V2 plus other. You know V2 means the second form of the verb. Okay. So here Radhika is awarded the best student of the year. Okay. So here you know the sentence is written in passive form. Okay. So here Radhika was awarded the best student of the year. Okay, then next sentence here, she receives 12 books and a scholarship as prize. You know the verb is written in simple present, so you have to change receive into received. Okay, so here the answer, she received 12 books and a scholarship as prize. Then next, her parents feel very happy on her success. So here you know the verb is written in simple present, so you have to change into simple past. Okay, you know the past form of feel, you know felt. Okay, so you have to write here felt. Her parents felt very happy here on her success. Okay, then next, her friends congratulate her on this distinction. You know here the verb is also in simple present, congratulate. So you have to change into simple past. Okay, congratulated. So here the answer, her friends congratulated her on this distinction. Then next here, it is Monday. You know the sentence is written in simple present, is. So here is will change into was. Okay, so here the answer, it was Monday. Okay, then next here, Ollie comes to the Providence School as a teacher for the first time. You know the verb is written in simple present, comes. You know the past tense of come, came. So you have to write here, Ollie came to the Providence School as a teacher for the first time. So here, okay, Ollie came. Okay, then next, the first person he meets in the school is George. So you know there are two verbs, meets and also is. Okay, so here meets will change into met, and you know here is will be changed into was. Okay, the first person he met in the school was George. Okay, so here he met and also was. Clear? Then next sentence here, he appears much younger than his age. So you know here the verb is written in simple present. So you have to change into simple past. And the simple past form of appears, you know, appeared. Okay. So you have to just add ed. He appeared much younger than his age. So here. Okay, he appeared. Okay. Then next sentence here, only thinks he is a student. Okay, so you know here the verb is written in simple present and here also simple present. So here both verbs will change into simple past. Thinks, you know the past of think, you know thought. Okay, so only thought, okay, that thought he was a student. Clear? Then next here, George smiles at Ollie and takes him. So you know here there are two verbs. Okay, first you know smiles and also takes. So you know the simple past of smile, smiled, and takes, you know took. Okay, so you have to change the verb form here. George smiled at Ollie and took him, okay, to the classroom. Then next here, all the students stand up to greet George with a lot of enthusiasm. You know here the main verb stand up. This is a phrasal verb, okay? And you know the verb is written in simple present. You have to change into simple past. Stood up, okay? Stood up, okay? So here, all the students stood up to greet George with a lot of enthusiasm. Then next, he introduces only to his students. Do you know here the verb is written in simple present, introduces, okay? They will change into simple past, introduced. Clear? He introduced only, okay, to his students. Then next, only discovers that George is also a teacher in the school. Do you know there are also two verbs, discovers and also is. So you have to change discover into simple past and also is into simple past. Do you know discover? The past form of discover, you know discovered, okay, and is you know watch, okay. So here only discovered that George was also a teacher in the school. Then next sentence here, they become friends. Do you know here become is written in simple present. So you have to change into simple past. Became, okay. So here, clear. Then next here, Ria's first day at school is going very well. You know here the sentence is written in present continuous and the structure of simple past, you know, subject plus V2. Do you know here is going, that means here the verb form will be went, okay. Clear? Ria's first day at school went very well. So here, okay, went. Then next sentence here, she finds that the school is much bigger than her previous one. Do you know here the verb finds and also is. So you have to change finds into simple past found and also is into watch. Okay, she found that the school was much bigger than her previous one. Do you know here found and also watch. Clear? Then next sentence here, during lunch, she explores the library and is happy to see her favorite books on the shelves. Do you know here the verb is written in simple present, explores, and also another verb you know is also in simple present. So you have to change explores into simple past, you know explored, okay, and is you know watch. Clear? So here she explored the library and was happy to see her favorite books on the shelves. Then next, her classmates and teachers are very helpful. Do you know here are, okay, we'll change into were. Her classmates and teachers were very helpful. To here, okay, were. Then next, they make sure she understand what is being taught. Do you know here the verb make, another verb you know understands and also is. These three verbs will change into simple past. You know past of make is made and also you know understands, okay, understood. Clear? Then you know is watch. They made sure she understood what was being taught, okay. To here, she made sure she understood what was being taught. Clear? Then next here, The day after the storm is bright and sunny. You know the verb is written in simple present and the past form of is was. Okay, the day after the storm was bright and sunny. Then next, the leaves look fresh and new. You know the verb is written in simple present. Okay, and the past form of look looked. The leaves looked fresh and new. Then next, birds are singing and flying around their nests. You know, here the sentence is written in present continuous. So you have to change into simple past. Okay, so here are singing will change into sang. Birds sang and flying flew. Okay, birds sang and flew around their nest. The flowers in the garden seem, seem. You have to write the past form of seem, seemed. Okay, seemed more colorful. Butterflies find, here past form of find, found. Clear? So here look at this. Okay, was bright, the leaves looked, birds sang and flew. Okay, and also past form of seemed, and also found. This is the past of find. Clear? Then next here, change the sentence in exercise 1 into interrogative sentences. Okay, using the simple past tense. Frame questions in such a way as to get the underlined phrases as answers. You have already changed the forms of verbs in exercise 1. Okay, so now you have to change the sentences into WH question. Okay, so first here, Radhika was awarded the best student of the year. The underlined part was the best student of the year, and the answer of the first one is already provided here. What was Radhika awarded? Okay, then next sentence here, she receives. Okay, receives in simple present, but you have to make question using simple past here. Okay, she received 12 books and a scholarship as prize. The underline part here, 12 books and a scholarship. So you have to make here question. Okay, so here, what did she receive as prize? Okay, then next here, her parents felt very happy on her success. The underline part, on her success. Okay, so you have to change into WH question. What did her parents feel very happy on? Okay, what did her parents feel very happy on? Then next year, her friends congratulated her on this distinction. The underlined part is congratulated on her on this distinction. Okay, so here what did her friends do? Okay, simple past. You have to make question using the simple past. What did her friends do? Clear? Then next here, it was Monday. Okay, the underlined part, Monday. So you have to change into WH question. What day was it? Okay. Then next question here, Ollie came to the Providence school as a teacher here. Okay, for the first time. The underlined part, Ollie. So here answer, who came to the Providence school as a teacher for the first time? Clear? Then next question here, the first person he met in the school was George. So the underlined part is George. Okay, here the answer, who was the first person he met? Okay, he met. Okay, in the school. Then next question here, he appeared much younger than his age. The underlined part is much younger than his age. Okay, okay, so here, how did he appear? Okay, then next question here, only thought, okay, only thought he was a student. Here the question will be, what did only think? Then next question here, George smiled at Ollie and took him to the classroom. You know the underlined part here, okay? Smiled at Ollie and took him to the classroom, okay? So here, what did George do? Okay, okay, you know you have to use the simple past verb form, okay? Then next here, all the students stood up to greet George with a lot of enthusiasm. You know here the underlined part is, all the students stand up to greet and also with a lot of enthusiasm. So here you can write in two ways, okay? Who stood up to greet George and how? And in also you can also write how did all the students treat George, okay? Then next here, he introduced only to his students. Do you know the underlined part? Introduces only to his students. So you have to make question. So here, what did he do? Okay, what did he do? Then next here, only discovered that George was also a teacher in the school. So here the underlined part, you know, is also a teacher in the school. So here the question will be, what did Ollie discover? Okay, what did Ollie discover? Then next here, they became friends. The underlined part here, you know, became friends, okay? So here, what did they become? Okay, clear? Then next here, C. Ria's first day at school went very well. So you know the underlined part, went very well, okay? So you have to write here, how did Ria's first day at school go, okay? Then next, she found that the school was much bigger, okay, here, much bigger than her previous one. The underline part, you know, the school, okay. What did she find here, okay? Then next, during lunch she explored the library and was happy to see her favorite books on the shelves, okay. Why was he happy? You know he was happy to, you know she was happy to see her favorite books on the shelf. You have to write here, why was she happy? Then next here, our classmates and teachers were very helpful. So here the underline part, you know, very helpful, okay. So you can write here, how were, okay, here, how were his classmates and teachers. Then next, they made sure she understood what was being taught. You know the underline part, okay. She understood what was being taught. You have to write here, what did they make sure, okay, here, clear? Then next, the day after the storm was bright and sunny. The underline part, you know, was bright and sunny, okay. So you have to make question, How was the day after the storm? Okay. Then next, the leaves looked fresh and new. How did the leaves look? Okay. So here, the leaves looked fresh and new. The underline part, fresh and new. How did the leaves look? Then next, birds sang and flew around their nest. Do you know the underline part? Flew, sang and flew around their nest. What did, okay, the birds do here? Then next, the flowers in the garden seemed more colorful. You know the underline part? Seemed more colorful. How did the flowers seem in the garden? Okay. So here, flowers in the garden seemed more colorful. Okay. The next, butterflies found their way to those flowers to collect nectar. You know the underline part is their way to these flowers to collect nectar. Okay, so here what did the butterflies find? Clear? Then next come to the page number 63. Okay, complete the following sentences with the correct forms of the verbs given in brackets. So here, great leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad and Bhagat Singh, fought, simple past of fight, for the independence of India. The British, ruled, okay, ruled, past tense of rule, over India for more than 2 centuries. They followed the policy of divide and rule for governance. The past of follow is followed, okay, they followed. They divided, okay, the past of divide, divided India into two nations before they left the country in 1947. Yes, okay, the past of leave left. Then next, Sri Lanka does also, be verb is given. Be verb means, is, am, are, was, were. Okay, so here we are talking about the past. And this is the name of a country. Singular verb will be used here, was. Okay. Sri Lanka was also under the British rule for a long time. The country got it. The past of get is got its independence in 1948. On 21st July 1960, Sirimavo Bandaranaike, okay, took, past tense of, took office as the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. She, past tense of become, became, okay, she became the world's first female Prime Minister and the first female head of government in post-colonial Asia. Then next year, Nepal, past of remained, remained, okay. Nepal remained a monarchy throughout most of its history. In 1990, King Birendra, agreed, past of agree, okay, agreed to introduce large-scale political reforms. He introduced, past of introduce is introduced parliamentary monarchy in Nepal. In this system, the king, past of remain, remained the head of the state, while the prime minister, past of act is acted as the head of the government. The country, past of saw the establishment of a federal democratic republic in 2008. Dr. Ram Baran Yadav, became, past of become, the first president of Nepal on 23rd July 2008. Clear? Then next here, rewrite the following story using the past tense of the verbs given in brackets. Okay. So here, once upon a time, okay, there. So we are talking about the past. You have to use your past tense. Live is given in the bracket. So you have to use lived. A man and his wife in a village. they, here be verb is given, be verb means is, am, are, was here. So here the subject is plural, so the verb must be plural. They were blessed with a goose which laid, okay, past of laid, laid, okay, laid a golden egg every day. They were, be means here be verb you have to use here, were, they were very lucky to have such a goose at home. Every day the man went, past of go, went to the market to sell the egg. The money they received, received, the past of receive. You have to write here received. By selling the egg, helped them, past of help, you have to write here helped them to buy what they needed. Needed, here the verb is given need. You have to write needed. But soon they, past of began to think that they, here be verb is given, you have to write here were, they were not getting rich fast enough. They, here verb is imagine, you have to write here past of imagine, imagined. They imagined that the bird was, be verb is given and the subject is singular, so you have to use your singular verb. The bird was made of gold inside. Okay, they dashed to kill, they decided, simple past, to kill it in order to get the entire store of gold kept, past of keep, you have to write kept inside the goose's stomach at once. One day, past of caught, same caught, okay, they cut it open to get what they, okay, wanted. So here you have to write wanted, okay, past of wanted, okay. But alas, what happened? They discovered, they found, okay, they discovered, past of discover, to their dismay, okay, that it was, be verb means you have to write here was an ordinary goose, just like any other of its kind. They became, past of become, they became very disappointment. They neither got, get, past of get, got rich as they had hoped, nor enjoyed, past of enjoy, enjoyed the daily share of their wealth any longer. Okay, clear? So this is a famous story. Greedy is a sin, okay, greedy is curse. Greed is sin and sin results death. Okay, then next here, rewrite the following story using the simple past and also past continuous tense forms of the words given in brackets. So here, there is a beautiful story among Tibetan people about Mount Everest. In ancient times, here the be verb is given. So you have to write was. There was a sea, because here singular noun is given. So here the verb should be singular. Okay. There was a sea in this region. People of the region, we are living. Here live, you have to use your, okay, past progressive. We are living very happily there. One day, a group of devils, you have to write here, okay, simple past of come, came and started, past of start, started destroying everything in the region. The people felt, past of feel, felt very scared. They, here be verb is given, so here the subject is plural, so the verb must be plural. They were not able to protect their land and their lives from these devils. Out of helplessness they prayed, past of pray, you have to write here past tense, okay, simple past, to the gods for protection. As you have to write here past progressive, okay, as they were praying, okay, as they were praying, the wind brought, the past of bring, brought 5 colorful clouds to the land. The clouds, the past of arrive, you have to write arrived. The clouds arrived from heaven. The clouds, here be verb is given, so you have to write it plural because the subject is plural, so the verb should be plural. The clouds were actually 5 goddesses, okay. They fought, past of fight, fought, with the devils and locked, past of locked them under the snow mountains. The people pleaded, past of plead is pleaded to the goddess to remain on earth and protect them. Okay, the goddess agreed. Okay, here agreed. Simple past of, past of agree. Okay, agreed. They, created, past of create. They created forest, grasslands, farm fields and beautiful flowers. After they finished, past of finish. After they finished their creation, they turned, past of turn. They turned into 5 high peaks. Okay, out of the 5 goddesses, the third goddess was, be verb is given, so you have to write here was the bravest one. She became, past of become. Okay, became simple past, the tallest peak. People called her Mount. People, called you, the past of call, called Mount Komolongma. The third goddess out of gratitude and fondness. The Tibetan third goddess was, be verb is given, to have writer past. Okay, later renamed as Mount Everest after the surveyor Sir George Everest in 1865. Okay, clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.